QSEHRA, which is also known as Quality Standards for Remuneration and Allowances, is a government-provided organization that provides support for the eligible Canadian residents in receiving the tax-free benefits that they are eligible to receive under the Income Tax Act. This is an organization that is operated by the Canada Revenue Agency. Anyone can become a member of QSEHRA. In order to become a member, you must be resident in Canada and have been working in Canada for 2 years. By becoming a member of QSEHRA, you will have the chance to take advantage of all the services and programs that the QSEHRA offers its members. To be eligible to make a claim for tax relief, the applicant must meet all the eligibility criteria. These include: the applicant must not be required to have paid tax in the previous year. The applicant must not owe an income or payroll tax in the previous year. There are 2 types of claims allowed under the QSEHRA: a self-employed claim and a partnership claim. In order to qualify for a self-employed claim, the applicant must have engaged in at least one trade for a period of 1 year. In a partnership claim, on the other hand, the partners must have entered into a contract with one another. There are also other criteria that must be met to claim for tax relief. The partners must have agreed to the terms of the claim at the time that it was entered into. All eligible expenses claimed under the QSEHRA are tax-free and non-taxable to the partners. In order to find out if you are eligible for tax relief, you should contact a qualified tax consultant. A tax consultant will be able to provide his/her expert advice and help you to decide whether or not you are eligible for a claim. A tax consultant is a professional who is authorized to give you legal advice regarding your tax return and/or claim. Before contacting a tax consultant, you should make sure that the QSEHRA has made a decision on the claimed expense. When you have decided that you are eligible for a QSEHRA claim, you should contact your tax advisor. The QSEHRA will take into account your personal and business debts when determining if you are eligible expenses. A qualified tax advisor will be able to assist you with this aspect of filing your tax return. If you meet the income guidelines, a tax relief may be available to you. Tax relief will mean that a large portion of your eligible expenses are tax-free. Tax relief is not the same as a refund. A refund is an amount of money that you get back from the IRS after you file your tax return. In a tax relief situation, the IRS takes care of paying for eligible expenses and you do not have to pay taxes on them. Tax relief is a much more advantageous option if you know you are going to qualify for it. When you visit a tax professional or tax attorney for assistance with your tax relief, they will let you know if you qualify for a tax relief and what kind of tax relief you might receive. If you know you are going to be eligible for tax relief, you can prepare ahead and ask for the help you need to file your tax return and receive the tax relief you deserve.